Hi there. If you're looking to put the sun back in your Suntune, you've come to the right place. Before you can replace the bulb, you'll need to remove the tachometer from its bracket, so start by loosening the thumb wheel fastener counterclockwise. Pull the tachometer up and out of the way to expose the backside. I went ahead and removed the old bulb and socket from the Tach. Here's what the base looks like with the old bulb removed. It does have a removable dust cover attached to the rear, shown here for reference. The Suntune Mini Tach uses a T1 3/4 sub-miniature wedge base bulb. I'm using a number 37, which is the middle of the range for brightness. The owner's manual for the Suntune Mini Tach listed 3 brightness ranges for the sub-miniature wedge base bulb we'll be installing today. At the lowest end of the range was a number 73 lamp listed at 0.3 mean spherical candela or candle power. We'll just say MSCD from here on. And I highlighted all these numbers in yellow. The number 37 is 0.5 MSCD, and then the 74 is the brightest at 0.75 MSCD. So that would be your brightest bulb you can install. For you guys looking for information with the larger tachometers, this was pretty much a universal owner's manual. So you can see below, there's some more familiar automotive type bulbs listed: 161, 194, 194A, and 168. With the 37 bulb pressed into the base, it's time to reinstall. 1/8 of a turn clockwise secures it. Replace the foam dust cover. And secure the tachometer back to its bracket. With the Mini Tach reattached to the bracket, let's see what we got for light. My Tach light is wired into the key on accessory feed, so the light is always on when the engine is running. The number 37 bulb definitely makes the Tach face clearly visible in dark conditions. If you would like it a little brighter, I would go with the number 74. I don't think it's going to be over bright with that. I definitely would not use a 73, which would be the 0.3 mean spherical candle power. Thanks for watching this illuminating video. Hit like and subscribe. We got a lot more coming.